Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope so you will be fine. Today is our ninth lecture of Pre-3 Phonics. Okay? And now we will complete our math syllabus today. Please open the page number 17. Okay student, this is the page number 17, and firstly we will mention the date May 12, 2020, and read the icon. The first icon is read and the second is write. Students, this lecture is different from our previous lectures, and on this page the question is also different. The question is read and write the beginning, ending and middle sounds. Beginning, ending and middle sounds. Firstly, I will give you the concept of beginning, ending and middle sounds. Okay, you know well that in phonics there is all the words have 3 alphabets. Okay, we call these words rhyming words, and each rhyming word have 3 alphabets: first alphabet, second and third. For example, in this word p, a, n, pen, 3 sounds, 3 alphabets. Okay, the first sound is p. The first sound is p, and this is called the beginning sound. This is called the beginning sound. Beginning sound जो होता है वो शुरू की आवाज़ कहलाती है, कि शुरू की आवाज़ जो होगी वर्ड की सबसे पहली साउंड, सबसे पहला वर्ड या हर्फ जो होगा तो वो क्या कहलाएगा? बिगिनिंग साउंड. ओके, द सेकंड वर्ड एंड सेकंड साउंड इज ए, एंड दिस इज द मिडल साउंड. The sound between two sounds, the sound between two alphabets, two sounds called middle sound. Okay, a is middle sound, and the last and ending sound is in sound. Okay, this is our ending sound. In this word, p is beginning sound, a is middle sound, and in is ending sound. For example, in this word, her, as, has. Her is beginning sound, good, well done, and a is middle, and is ending. Okay, I hope I cleared the concept of beginning, ending and middle sound. So on this page there are lot of pictures. We had already learned about these pictures, and now we will read and write the beginning, middle and ending sound. Firstly, the first picture is rat. Good. We read the spell of rat, at, rat. You know the spell of rat. What is the spell of rat? At, rat. Good, well done. Okay, now which alphabet is missing there? Good, beginning sound is missing there. Okay, now we will write the beginning sound of this picture. At, rat. Okay, in second picture, what is the name of this picture? Good, p, ad, pad, and read the word p, a, d. Which word is missing? D, and D is ending sound. Good. We will write the ending sound of pad. You draw the small line and write the beginning, ending and middle sound. In this pattern you solve all this page. Okay, and turn the page number 18. You also mention same date on this page, May 12, 2020, and this is our revision page, and assessment page. On this page there are sentences. We read the sentences and write the pictures of name. The first sentence is Tom was a cat. Good. We will write the name of this picture. I wrote on a pad. Good. You will look at the picture, then write the name. I like this Meg. Sam lives near a dam. Sa turns on the fan. Abdullah wears a cap. Okay students, on the book and notebook you will write these sentences. Okay, the homework on the book is these sentences, page number 18. You will write the sentences and writing should be neat and follow the rhymes. Good, well done. Thank you.